Vishwa, Ritvika, Dalia, Sahasra, and Adya. Did I miss anyone? Oh. Awesome. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. That was beautiful. Thank you.
What a wonderful performance.
First model is wearing a Mysore silk saree. The origins of Mysore silk can be traced back to the reign of Tipu Sultan. These drapes are known for their durability, softness, lightweight, bright colors, and intricate metallic zari work. Our next model is wearing a fashionable salwar kameez made from Coimbatore cotton, accompanied with a pure Kanjivaram silk dupatta, styled with traditional jewelry representing the fabrics of the southern state of Tamil Nadu. We next had a long gown made with Pochampalli silk fabric with ikat design from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Pochampalli ikat is visually identified by the chakra design that are variations of a diamond within a square with diffused edges. The Sambalpuri sari is a traditional hand-woven sari from the western region of Odisha called Sambalpur. It's also known as a banga sari and uses tie-dye technique before weaving. Popular designs include animals, flowers, and the Konark temple motifs. Bandhani work in India is another example of the ancient art of tie-dye, dating back to the 6th century and is associated with the states of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Our model is wearing a Bandhani ghagra accompanied with traditional jewelry. Our next model is draped in a traditional Paithani silk sari from the state of Maharashtra, distinguished by its oblique square border with peacock color. Pure silk Paithani saris reflect the cultural importance and history of Maratha valiants. Our next model is wearing a Banarasi silk sari. These saris are known for their luxurious fabrics, intricate embroidery and motifs such as floral patterns, paisleys, and geometric shapes made from gold and silver zari. Our next model is wearing a traditional Assamese attire called the Mekhla Chador, which is a type of sarong consisting of two pieces of cloth, one draped on the top and one on the bottom. The embroidered patterns on the mekhla are symbolic of the different tribes. The Pichoda dupatta is the pride of Kumon and dates back to the Chand dynasty of the 12th century. It is made using natural dyes and stamps on orange-colored fabric. Our model has paired the symbol of a married woman with a Mughal-inspired Zardozi Ghagra choli. We now welcome our last model who is wearing a Punjabi patiala suit with Fulkari dupatta. Fulkari is a typical Punjabi needlework over the fabric in bold, bright colors.
Beautiful, beautiful ladies. That was so wonderful. Oh, wow. You all look so beautiful. Thank you so much. Our next performance is a dance performance by Sonali Dance Academy, students of Sonali Dance Academy. Music has a unique ability to bring people together, transcending and any barriers, and dance is a universal language that knows no boundary.
Garana, composed and choreographed by Pandit Bittu Maharaj ji and Vidushi Saraswati Senji. The participants are Ananya, Venkatagirish, Arushi, Surbhi, Sanj, Joya and Riya.
Dance performance.
Please do so. The folks, the volunteers are on the area where there is snacks. Please do buy the raffles. And even if you're not here, you can write down your name and phone number, and we will make sure if you're a winner, we will track you down and get your prize. With that, let's get started.
गोविंदावराय प्रेमिका वरदा गोविंदावराय प्रेमिका वरदा பெருமையை உணர்த்திய பாகவதர்களின் பெருமையை உணர்த்திய கோவிந்தாவராய் प्रेमिका वरदा गोविंदावराय प्रेमिका वरदा.
Thank you. Let's have a big round of applause for them. Our next performance.
ये मैं उतार देती हूँ बुला रही थी तुम जाओ मंदिर काजल लगा ओपन कर दिया Oh, it's not even in the ears. Right there. Right there. Chalu already.
Today's event, it's a 75th India Republic Day, and we are very grateful to have this community center here in USA so that we can still continue our culture and keep it live. So thanks for that. Thank you.
Yeah, that's.
Hi, this is Siddhi here, and I'm at the Indian Cultural Festival for the 75th Republic Day, which has been hosted by the Westchester Indian community. And I'm with Empowerly, who's the sponsor for this event. Empowerly is a college consulting firm, and we're looking to work with all of our Southeast Asian students and help them get into the college of their dreams here in America. It's a lovely event. All of these students, as you can see, the children have put their heart into all the performances. And this makes me so happy to see it, knowing that this is where they're going to find a place for their college admissions too. Thank you.
Participants are literally 3, 4, 5, and they get distracted. So please, it's a request that be seated when the performances are going on. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Leena. First of all, give a big round of applause to all these wonderful participants. Loudly, please. Thank you. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and fellow citizens, on this auspicious occasion of India's Republic Day, let us join hands in celebrating the spirit of democracy, diversity, and unity. Today's grand event, we will witness our shared commitment to those ideals and values of our culture enshrined in our Constitution. India Center is our home, away from home, that embodies that vividta mein ekta, principles of our culture and Constitution.
In 1876. So that's a trivia. Anyway.
India. I love my India. Ye mera India. I love my